I don't know if you've noticed, but my skin over the years have been oily. I've had acne, pimples, my shoulders and my back, and this has been a constant problem. Hey everyone, what's going on? My name is Scott Barnes, and today I wanna go over a company called Bettr. Now Bettr is a skincare for men. For me, this is something that I need to do. My face, my back, all the time, I will get random pimples. I will get random little bumps of things here and there. So I thought, let's give it a try. Now for me, in my routine, going out, being in the weather, working out, doing jujitsu, all these things create oil, create sweat, creates dirt. And I truly believe that no matter how many showers that I take a day, I will always have these oily, pimply skin. Did I say that right? Maybe. Now Bettr sent me their Bettr U package. This comes with a moisturizer, a cleaner, and a serum. And for the next 2 weeks to a month, I'm gonna use this on a daily and bi-daily basis. So I'm gonna do it in the morning, and at night we'll do a application just right now. And let's just see the progress that we do over the next few weeks. Now to give you guys an inclination of what I go through, I definitely get pimples all over my forehead. I get them on my cheeks and on my jawline. Second, I get them all over my shoulders because with jiu-jitsu and the sweat, it's a constant problem. So I thought, let's try a skincare product to alleviate these things. Now this is a very widely popular company. I believe they are in Singapore. They have hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram. Go check them out. With that, we're gonna start with the biggest to the smallest. And first, we're gonna start with the cleaner. I'm gonna give myself just a little bit. Now we're gonna do 2 applications. We're gonna do one on the face, and then we're gonna do a little on the back. As you can see, boom, 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 boom. They're everywhere. Towel, the water. Next, we're gonna use the Restore. So let's go ahead and take a little bit. We're gonna put just a little bit on as we've got a little bit of an applicator, and we're just gonna go ahead and apply that as well. Lastly, let's use the moisturizer. This is gonna be the final touch on everything. A little bit, let's go ahead and apply. Pretty simple. We've done 3 steps. We've done a cleaner, a serum, and a moisturizer that locks in everything. So we've done the shoulders, we've done the back, and we've done the face. So let's come back in a week. Well, it's been a week using Bettr. My skin, my arms, my shoulders, everything's actually cleaning up really well, and it's only been 1 week. Now, over the weekend, I did miss a couple days, but overall, my skin is a lot clearer, it's a lot cleaner, and my biggest point that I notice right now are my shoulders and my back. But my favorite part right here is the top of my forehead and my eyebrows. I usually get a lot of acne and a lot of bumps right there. But Bettr has been doing a great job keeping everything clean. Now remember, this is a 3-part process. I did this on a daily regimen, and overall my skin is a lot cleaner, it's a lot smoother, and it's a lot softer. And Bettr was a great way for me to use a skincare product, because usually I'll just use a soap and shampoo. You know, I'm just a regular guy that uses all the 3-in-1. But this is a great add-on in my little bit of my toolbox, because I do break out, you know, during my sweat of my workouts, my jiu-jitsu, and this cleans up a lot of that dirt and grime. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave their Instagram down. Check out, they have a few different packages and products over on their website. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below if you used them before, or if you have any questions or concerns. I wanna know what you guys think. With that being said, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. I love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See